So over here, you can see that I got these images right here. And if I were to click and drag these out somewhere, then I can simply go ahead and rearrange this out right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here onto the view menu, then you can also see the grid lock option right here. So once you do that, you can see the grids actually over here. So if I were to go around and click and drag it, then you can see that it stays in this particular grid. If I were to zoom in and zoom out, then you can see the grid around over here as well. So the grid lock is turned on and you can see the grid right here, just like this. So what I can also do is you can go around over here onto the grid lock section and then disable this out, and then you don't see the grid anymore. So that is how you can work around with the grid lock, as you can see right here. But even if it is not turned on, you can actually see that I can click and drag onto a particular space right here and rearrange it out, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with grid lock inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.